Hi, welcome to this video tutorial, and of course I remain Moses. In this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to work with pop-ups on your website. So to do that, come to your dashboard and come to Elementor, come to templates and you see what we call pop-ups right here. I'm going to open this and I'm going to click on add new pop-up. Click on add new pop-up and I'm going to input just a random stuff, the name of my pop-up. Let me just call this CTA, call to action. I'm going to create my pop-up and cool. Currently I don't work with templates. I'm going to close this and here we can create our pop-ups. I want my pop-up background to be blue, so I'm going to come to these settings right here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to come to style. I'm going to click on this and background color should be blue. Cool. I'm going to click this and I'm going to drag in an inner section right here. Perfect. So for this place, I want to drag an image here. I'm going to select this. You can create anything as a pop-up actually. I'm going to select this, or better still select this. Cool. And for this part, I'm going to drag in a heading. Start with horse. Come to style. I made the color pure white. Cool. And I'm going to drag in a random text editor. Perfect. I'm going to come to style, make it pure white, and I'm going to drag in a button. I'm not going to customize all this stuff because I already showed you how to start customizing stuff. So you already know you come to style to customize anything you want to customize. And to link your button, always copy and paste your link right here. I won't do that. So I have this guy right here. Now I'm going to come to settings in this place and customize the close toggle button and set other conditions. My overlay color enable, close button enable, entrance animation, I want it to slide in. You can give it any entrance animation, you understand. So I just want my entrance animation to be something light. Let's just use slide in left. Exit animation, let's use slide out down. And we have this guy. If I come here, general settings, so this is perfect. Preview settings, you don't need all those. And we have this. If I come to style, I set the background color, then overlay color, I can decide to make it red, as you can see. So I'll actually go with black. Close button, I want my close button color to be white, and background color, can give it black, as you wish. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to make it blue, but this time around deep blue. Perfect. So you can customize this. I'm going to click on this inner section. I'm going to come to advanced, margin top of 50, margin bottom of 50, margin right. I'm going to click on this section itself, advanced, and do this padding right and left, or maybe like 20. Perfect. I'm going to work on the mobile responsiveness. I'm going to click on tablet mode. It's cool. I'm going to click on this, and it's cool also. I'm going to click on, I'm going to come back to this inner section right here, to the main section right here. I'm going to unchain this, and I think it's cool like this. Perfect. And I'm going to click on publish. I'm going to, you can add condition, include entire site. Perfect. Next, trigger. How do you want it to be triggered? Is it on page load? If you want it to appear on certain page, is it on page load? Is it on scroll to elements, on click, after inactivity, on page exit extent, on page exit intent? So anyone you want to work with, I'll be teaching you how to use all this in this video tutorial because this is more complex. You will learn how to do this in the mentorship program, but what I want to show you is how to make your buttons work with pop-up. So I won't set all this condition. I'll just come back here to remove this condition. All I need to do is just click on save and close. I'm not working on any condition. If you want to learn how to use the condition and create complex pop-ups, make it to the mentorship program. So this is cool. To use this pop-up, I'm going to come back to my page. I'm going to come to the home page and I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Now to use the pop-up I just created right here, I'm going to work with this button. So if I click on this button, cool, there is what we call dynamic tags right here. If I click on the dynamic tags, if I scroll all the way down, I'm going to see pop-up. If I click on it, then I'm going to see the pop-up right here. Click on this box and click on the all text, and I'm going to search for my pop-up CTA. I'm going to click on it. Cool. I'm going to come to settings. We don't need that, and I'm going to click on update. Let me view my page on another tab, and you see the pop-up in action. If I scroll down here and I click on this button to get my pop-up, as simple as that. This is what the pop-up does. Very simple. Now if you want to learn how to make use of pop-up on different pages, like if I click on the home page and probably I scroll to a certain length and I want the pop-up to come up, you can do that. Or probably when I move my mouse up and I want to close the tab, I want the pop-up to come up, you can do that also. But those methods are a bit complex. You need to learn logic and know how to use Elementor perfectly. So we'll be teaching that basically in the mentorship program. Now what if you want to use pop-up with your menu links? Up here, all you need to do is copy the address of the pop-up button. I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to come to my Windows. I'm going to search for text editor, notepad. I'm going to open my notepad and you need to paste the link right here. Now after pasting the link, what you need is this long string, not the entire link, this long string. Copy the string. I'm going to close my notepad, don't save. Copy the string, come back to your menus, go to appearance, menus. I want to create a new custom link. I'm going to paste the hash link I just copied from my notepad, not the entire link, the one I copied from notepad. I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to call this CTA. I'm going to click on add to menu. Cool. I'm going to click on save menu. Come back here to reload this particular page and we are going to see our pop-up in action. I'm going to close this guide. I click on this CTA right here. As you can see, the pop-up also came out. This, and I can use it here also. This, though these are just basic usage of the pop-up. If you want to learn more on how to use the pop-up to create more complex navigation and stuff like that, try to make it to the mentorship program. But this is where we're going to stop for this video tutorial. Of course, I remain Moses. I'll see you in the next.